Thank you, Patrick. We may come back on your views about the future. And now we will move to a much smaller company. And I would like to invite Philippe Deschamps from ODT to give the point of view of a smaller company and what he thinks he can do to develop the cooperation between Europe and India.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, Christophe, for the introduction. And good afternoon, everybody. So I am Philippe Deschamps. I'm the CEO of a young company named ODT. Donc, ODT, what we are doing, we are developing software for operation and of the low voltage network. We are a small team. We are 10 people, 8 people based in France and 2 people located in Barcelona, in Spain. And we are mixing very strong competencies in electrotechnique, in network operation, and also competencies in analytics, data analytics, and mathematics. So we are developing algorithm based on artificial intelligence in order to facilitate the operation of the grid. In short, what we are doing, we have developed a new way in order to manage the network. If we try to operate the low voltage network at the same manner as the medium voltage network, it's very difficult. Difficult because we have perhaps 100 or 1,000 times the number of devices. The quantity of data is huge, and in addition, this network is not so well known. Very often, the diagrams are not up to date, and it's difficult. We cannot use the low voltage network in the same manner as the medium voltage. So we have changed the paradigm, and in fact, now we use the data coming from the smart meter as the first origin to manage the network. We rebuild a new model of the network using not the characteristic of the devices, of the cable and so on, but using the data from the smart meter. Using the power, using the voltage, we are able to redraw a kind of model of the network. And this model, we can use it for several usages. First, of course, it is to correct and to draw the diagram, the schematic. Second, it is also to have a precise ideas of the state of the network. So it is observability, real-time observability. Using only a few measurement points, we are able to generalize to all the network and to have measure from everywhere. It is also for the losses detection, and it is also to optimize the investment in order to invest where it is really needed. So it's a new way to operate the low voltage network. So currently we are embedded in several projects, and particularly in e-electrics, which has been already presented before, and we will have the pleasure to work with Tata Power in order and to use their data coming from the smart meter in order to better manage the low voltage network at this place. We are also embedded on other projects, for instance, in GIFT. GIFT is a project, Edge 2020 project, another one, with 2 demo sites in Norway and in Italy. And another project is a national project, is utility, with the goal of maximize the PV insertion on the network. Okay, thank you very much.